What's up? What's up? What's up? We is back. I went into work for 1 hour. We were dead. Now I'm home. I'm going over to Audrey's. May have to make a trip to Best Buy later. I'm not sure. I have no plan. So let's go to Audrey's. Hey Siri. Oh, never mind.
Hey.
Hello.
It's kind of chilly out here.
Changed my earrings today.
Got the same earrings in.
It's cute. Has pockets.
Fast forward a little bit. We took a nap. I ordered an Apple Watch and now we're gonna go pick it up at Best Buy. I spent too much money at Best Buy. Got the watch. Another purchase at Best Buy. Audrey has some fun facts.
Well, one of them was a question.
Sure, go, whatever.
Does Mike Wazowski wink or blink? Because he only has one eye.
What?
Apparently cows can only be girls. And all the boys are bulls. Was there another one?
No, I think that was it. Audrey! You have my watch?
I do.
Got the watch and the Dr. Pepper, you know. Unboxing part 2.
Okay.
Where's my cherry?
Someone threw it away.
Let's turn it on now. Probably needs charged. And then I'm about to set it up. Probably gonna take another 20 minutes. I don't care. Stupid. Is Myrtle Beach open or not? Because the first day it's open, I'm driving down there and I'm getting a room because I missed the beach and I need to go to the beach right now.
I lied. All of those say closed.
What did I tell you? I told you it wasn't open.
But look. City of North Myrtle is open. Surfside Beach
But the
open.
city of Myrtle Beach is closed.
Okay. Some places.
That ruins all of it.
Oh, it remains closed to new visitors until May 1st.
I could have told you that.
Guess where we're going May 1st?
May 1st, come back for the video of us going to the beach. Getting close. Been waiting forever.
I just said I'd make you food. Probably nothing good, and who knows if it's actually good to eat.
Fruity Pebbles, but they're called Dino Bites because we like Dino Bites because we are off-brand.
Milk.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good!
I just went ahead and put the rest of it in there.
Whatever. I need a spoon. Can't eat cereal without a spoon, or can I? I didn't get any.
There's a literal bird. It's right back there.
There's a bird out here in their porch and it can't get out.
Oh my god.
Oh no, I think we just need to go outside and let it figure it out itself. Got the door open so it should be able to just fly out.
Hopefully.
Yeah, he'll figure it out.
Should we get a bread?
A bread?
A bread.
A bread? Buddy, you gotta tell this dude to go
Oh my god.
this way. This way.
I wish I could just go pick it up. Aww.
We got content for the day. I literally have no idea how to get this bird out of here.
Should I get
3 of them over here. Oh, you're so close. You go, 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 go. No, you're so close.
What door? Wait, the door's shutting.
You went the wrong way.
It was so close.
Here to see what I can find. This way. I'm gonna try to scare him that way. Go, go.
It's probably gonna kill itself because it keeps hitting against the windows. I thought for a second it almost went into my bedroom window, like I almost hit against my bedroom window, and that would have hurt because it's glass.
Well, I got the bird out of here.
Mom said that she'd be cool if we went to Myrtle.
That wasn't about the bird though. Tell me about the bird. Tell me about the bird.
The bird, it finally flew out. All of its bird friends were helping him.
My grandma made me an egg sandwich, so I gotta go over there and get that.
He came over so we could talk about tie-dyeing those shirts. But I'm not spending $15 on a shirt.
What you doing?
Nothing. My egg sandwich.
Do you want one, Audrey?
No, I'm good. Thank you, though.
You're welcome.
I want one.
Do that too.
Grandma got the snack for me! And that's it for another video. So, yeah, be sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and come back for the next one.
Bye.